What's going on, ground pounders? This is Tyler with GPCarAudio.com, and if you haven't seen this yet making waves across the internet, here's the official video introducing the new member to our team. Now that we've been crimping 200 plus lugs per day, we finally had to make a move to speed up production. This new addition to our team is not only going to make us more efficient, but also save our arms. Once you've stood in front of a hand pump crimper for 10 hours in one day, you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. That being said, it's time for the old hand pump style crimper to go. Here's Mike prepping the table, getting ready for our new addition. This is where the actual crimper itself will be mounted. Mike cut out a base plate out of 1/4-inch steel and welded a collar to the underneath side equipped with set screws. This is what will hold the crimper in place and be secured to the bench. And then what makes it all happen, the hydraulic pump. Here we are putting in 3 gallons of hydraulic fluid.
That's moving.
Yep. It looks like we're good to go, so let's get this thing mounted and try it out.
It goes pretty good, because look, you only have to open up to about there.
If you are watching the YouTube version of this upload, here's a surprise giveaway. Whoever comes up with the best name for our new crimper will win a box of GP swag. Leave your entry in the comments. If you like what you see, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.